Family on the way? Last minute party? Hot date? Need your home cleaned fast? No time to call around? No worries. You are busy and we understand. Easy Breezy Cleaning Company has affordable, quote-free house cleaning available under 60 seconds. Here's how it works. You get an instant quote on our website depending on details you enter regarding your home. You pick a service time and where to send you an appointment confirmation. You enter your credit card number, you receive an email confirmation, you come back to a sparkling home. You provide the toilet bowl brush and bleach products. We bring the rest. You are busy. We understand. At Easy Breezy Cleaning Co., one call cleans it all. Oh yeah, did we tell you that our work is guaranteed? If you are not 100% satisfied, contact us within 24 hours and we will come back and fix it. We want you to have a sparkling home.